Interfaces. An interface is a type containing members defining a group of related functionality. It distances the uses of a class from the implementation, allowing multiple different...
Legion 18C säger hi.
Wow. Yay! That's fast. Hello. Distances the use of a class from the implementation, allowing multiple different implementations or support for some generic behavior such as formatting, comparison, or conversion. The uses of a class from the implementation. What is it? So the implementation is the interface, and the class is the use that uses it? Or is it the opposite, where it's like the use of the class is the interface, and then the implementation is the class implementing the interface? Syntax of interface is similar to that of a class or struct, except that methods and properties appear as the signatures only and no body is provided. Yes. I guess uses of a class is actually referring to interface. Public interface. Language, string. Speak. Public class, Italian traveler. What is iClonable? Oh, this must be a different. Oh, it's a different interface, probably. Yeah. Public string language name get set. Clone. Italian traveler. Oh. All operations defined by the interface must be implemented. Interfaces can contain instance methods and properties amongst other members. To allow an object to be compared to another object, it must implement the iComparable interface. This interface has a single method that needs to be implemented in compare to T other. There are 3 possible return values for the compare to method. Value smaller than 0, the current object is smaller than the other object. Greater than 0, the current object is greater than the other object. Value is 0, the current object is equal to the other object. Oh, T. Wait, so it can take... So what does it take then? What's T? Like anything? I think so. This exercise you'll be doing some more work on remote control cars. An experimental car has been developed and the test track needs to be adapted to handle both production and experimental models. The two types of cars have already been built, and you need to find a way to deal with them both on the test track. In addition, production cars are beginning to have some success. The team boss is keen to maintain the competitive spirit by publishing a ranking of the production cars. Enable cars to be driven on the same test track. These add a method to the remote control car interface to expose the implementations of drive for the two types of car. New control car. Without an exception being thrown. Interface. Let's see what's all this. Okay. Public interface. Remote control car.
Sposivitatum säger hi.
Hi. Oh, oops. Back to English. Button to be able to draw.
Sposivitatum säger det is now speaking Danish.
Drive. No, it's actually speaking Swedish. Jeez. Drive for the two types of cars. But this is race, not drive. So what? Do they mean? No, this is just drive. Am I just supposed to, okay. Public? Am I supposed to just put... How do you how do you make a method? Are methods public and private? I think everything can be like with an access modifier. Oh yeah. Is this void? Drive? How do you... Well, I don't know. I guess I don't need to have access modifier. How do you drive? Credits. Sad face. Oh, I need these other ones too. Distance traveled. I think I have to add another thing here. Okay. Yeah. Enable the distance traveled by different models on the test track to be compared. Please add a property to the iRemote control car interface to expose implementations of the distance traveled property for the two types of car. Was that int? Okay. Yeah. Get set.
Legion 18C säger I think it's a method.
What's a method?
Legion 18C säger Noviem.
Oh, okay. Enable the cast object to type. Function remote control to type. iRemote control car. What? Oops. Well, at least it actually like compiles so I can see the results. I guess. Wait, why is it making me do it again? Okay. There. This is weird. It wasn't showing the results. Production car, new production remote control car, experimental car, new.
Legion 18C säger You just made the interface. You should do something with it too.
Really? Okay. There's remote control car, production car. Cert dot equal distance traveled. Production car dot distance traveled. Minus production car distance traveled what?
Legion 18C säger It's trying to cast production remote control car to remote control car. Why can't it do that?
Why is it trying to cast? I don't even understand why it's why it would be trying to cast that into what's the heck? What do we have? Oh, there's test. Well, there's race. Oh, it takes remote control car. Okay. Oh, because I have to inherit from remote control
Legion
car.
18C säger It's the code on the first call of test track in the
Well,
test
I don't know,
code.
but I think I do.
Sposivitatum säger
I think I have to
For
inherit from
testing
it.
purpose I suppose. Legion 18C säger Yep.
Hey. Actually. Oh, that's all I do, okay.
Sposivitatum säger It's asserting that car implementations must implement the interface.
Yeah, so because it needs to be yeah, okay. Public drive. 20, interesting, okay. And then we have test track, like race.
Legion 18C säger You copy idag. Too many.
What? Oh, I copied a. What did you? What did you? What did you? What? Where is there an extra thingy? Oh yeah, why is there two of these? What the hell? I don't remember doing that. Oh, I know what happened. I did this and copied down. Okay. Hey.
Legion 18C säger Yes, exactly.
Oh, thanks. Oh. Wait, I have something that's not implemented. What? Oh, wait, no. No. Yes. It's not. Production remote control card is not implemented. Interface member. Where's production? Oh, it's right here. Distance traveled and drive.
Legion
So I have to set
18C
it
säger
basically? It
Read
has to
more
be
of the
set.
error.
It needs to be set to something, I guess. Oh, this is not implemented, so it's not, and this one's not public, I guess. Oh wait, I remote control card at distance traveled. Dot set. Oh, it does not implement. Sorry. Distance traveled. Dot set. It can't be private or something. Isn't it implementing it? Is that the problem with that particular error? I mean, it says something about the set, and there was a private in front of the set, so. Well, that fixed it, I guess. And then experimental remote control car.
Legion 18C säger Yes, it's defined as a public set in the interface. It has to be in the class 2.
Wait, so I could also just turn this into private, and then is this like fine? I guess. Like that would also be a solution to this. I'm not really sure what private, how this is like. Okay.
Legion 18C säger Yep.
Okay, I'll just do that then. Okay, well. No. Oh, Appetite properties cannot have private accessors. Guess not. No privates. Private go away.
Sposivitatum säger Idiomatic use of interfaces would suggest that the setter is removed from the interface. Legion 18C säger The test script wants it to be a
Oh,
public
the test script
insättningstecken
is the one
insättningstecken,
wanting it?
but otherwise, yes, you can do that.
Wait, so the test script is like throwing an exception if it's private or something? Or, I don't know. How does it...
Sposivitatum
No.
säger It shouldn't be used in the tests and the setting is a private logic.
Shouldn't be used in a test and the setting is a private logic. What does that mean? Test track.
Legion 18C säger The test script is trying to use the set method, but it can't do that if it's private, so that's a compile error.
Oh, because it's private, so only my class can set. But it wants to set. It's like trying to use the set somehow. Yes. But like, where is it trying to set? Oh, you know what? It might be doing it down here or something. Like I haven't seen it yet. Also, it's just randomly passed, so it's cool. Yeah, it's probably doing that later on. Just curious. I'm just curious what it looks like. What does it? Will it say? I'm just curious if it's gonna...
Sposivitatum säger
Set.
W8 is it actually trying to set distance.
What's W8? So that number of victories equals 3. All I see is this number of victories thing, not anything related to the set of distance traveled. Right? Or is this just showing not all the code? Is it just showing some of the code that's being run? Cause like, isn't it like not actually doing anything to... It's not setting the distance or anything like that? I don't know. So all I see is this number of victories thing.
Legion 18C säger I don't know, but that's
Yeah.
what the error is saying.
Okay. Accept it. Oh yeah, there's the test track thing. Wait a second, let me think. When it does race, test... Wait, what? Yeah, test track.race. Wait, no, I want it back for a second. Wait, this is void as well. Search that equals distance travel minus. I think I just don't need to put anything in it. I just need to not throw this error. Maybe? Okay, not.
Legion 18C säger I think you need to call the drive method.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Because that's right, because they race, so they need to all drive. So I just, car dots.
Legion 18C säger, and you can now do that with your interface.
Yeah. Yay. Alright. Enable the distance traveled by different models on the test track to be compared. Please add a property to the iRemote control car interface to expose the implementation of distance travel. Oh yeah, I did that. Just travel property. Oh yeah, I did look at this before. Ensure interface exposes distance traveled. Okay. Ensure cars are comparable. Let me just look at the arrow real quick. Fail to compare two elements in the array. At least one object must implement iComparable. So they need to be iComparable, I guess. Why at least one object? Why do both not need that? Yeah, I guess it makes sense one. I guess I'll just pick one. I think that makes sense. iComparable? I don't know if that's how to do it, but wait, do I have to actually like put this in too? This part? Or just iComparable? I don't know. No, this is the method. No, it should just be called iComparable interface. Okay. So
Legion
int
18C säger, read the text.
I'm just gonna public it because yeah. Public int actually maybe I do what? We must implement the iComparable interface. No, it is called that. I mean literally like says that. So I'm putting that. Compare to compare to T other. So I want could I just iRemote control car or do I need to specifically say
Legion 18C säger, remember, är mindre än T, är större än ISA generic, and you should put something in it.
part? Or maybe I should call, maybe the type is supposed to be experimental remote control car. Wait, really? Up here? Up here? Even in the interface name? You just put whatever I like. Really? I thought the interface name was like set. Like set to what? Like I have to change the name of the interface too?
Sposivitatum säger, T
What the
is
heck?
not defined.
The heck? I don't know if like I'm supposed to use this specific type, but I'm using this specific type.
Legion 18C säger, yep, you need to tell it what T is for this implementation.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh wait, let me just see what the test code is running. I'm just curious.
Legion
For
18C
medium.
säger, what type is the test code trying to order?
Yeah, that matters. Do median number of victories, slow to number of victories. Let's talk about number of victories right now. Oh, do we have a thing for anything for number of victories ever anywhere? Oh, this. Oh, what? Public static list. Production remote control car. Oh, this. Please implement the static test track get rank cars method. Wait,
Legion
no, that's for
18C
task
säger,
3 though,
yes,
this rank
it's in
thing.
production car.
Wait. Oh. Oh, I'm only comparing production remote control cars. That's what you're saying, because... Wait, this remote control car... Oh, I guess. Oh, yeah, that's... I see. That's why it has a special number of victories counter thing. So I guess I need to... Like, that's the real type, then? And then, yeah, and then this is where this should be. I think I... Oh, yeah. Wait, no. I don't know. Do I have to mark it as something?
Legion 18C säger, yep, that's what you should do. Your added a compare method for comparison different production cars.
Mm-hmm.
Legion 18C säger, now, how do you implement a method?
Yes. Oh, I have to tell it. It doesn't just know what to do automatically because I'm taking it from the interface. That's right, because the interface doesn't have code. It just has the name of the method. So I have to do it all myself. Okay. Yes. Compare to so a.
Legion 18C säger, exactly.
Okay. So if I use this dot is referring to this object right here, and then if I use like car dot is referring to the other thing I'm comparing to. I hope that question makes sense, but like, you know, if I'm trying to like compare this one to this one that's getting compared to.
Legion 18C säger, to help you out here, you can rename the car parameter in comparator to other.
I'm gonna call other car then. Oh, but if I did, what's this car? Yeah, but how do I access the val? Oh, number of victories. But what would happen if I did this dot number of victories? Which one am I which am I referring to? Am I referring to other car or am I referring to this car? Like what's happening?
Exclusivitatum säger, this is a reference to the object on which you call the method.
So it is this object? I kind of just want to try it.
Legion 18C
Using this?
säger, this.
Right? Like this is this is not, well, this is not other car, right? Other car has a separate value for number of victories, and this is the other. This is the one the other. This is the thing other car is getting compared to, right? Right. I mean, I can just try it, I guess.
Legion 18C säger, yes you are understanding it correctly.
Oh, good. Okay, this. Number of victories. Greater than. Oh, I'm trying to think right now. Like what values is it looking for me to return? I think just a positive number, so return 1. I'm not sure, but whatever. What does it say here? 3 plus by return the character with value smaller than 0. Current object is smaller than the other objects.
Legion 18C säger, the description tells you.
What description? Else if. Nice, okay. Happy with it. But I'm just curious, I just want to see the code that ran again. Production, show car. Yeah, fast number of victors. 3, 2, 1. Bar cars equals new list. This is a list of production remote control cars. Fast, slow, medium. Cars dot sorts. Sort dot equal. And cars. Wait, why does sort? What does sorting have to do with? What does this have to? Oh, is it trying to say it needs? You need to compare. You need to have this compare method for the sort to run, like the sort of cars dot sort.
Legion 18C säger, sort calls comparator to order the items.
Oh, does it
Legion
really?
18C säger, yes, you need the comparator method for sort.
Oh, it's dependent on having that method from the interface. But what if I didn't use the interface and instead I just made this method? Like I just have this method here and I don't inherit from the interface. Does it like it needs this, right? It has to take from the interface for sort to work. Like I can't just make this method without the interface for that. Just curious.
Legion 18C säger, the sort method finds the method through the interface.
Oh, it's looking for so yeah, okay. Otherwise it won't find the method without the interface. Okay. Well, that's cool. Boop.
Spuusivitatum säger, yeah, basically, it's nominal typing, not structural. Legion 18C säger, if objem is incomparable C, C comparator.
If object is I comparable C. Oh. Compare to.
Sposivitatum säger types don't implement interfaces automatically by implementing the interface methods signatures.
Types to implement interfaces automatically. You mean, are you trying to say like I have to define all the, like I have to? You're trying to say I have to like define all the methods and stuff inside the interface? That it doesn't just inheriting from it isn't good enough. I think like I have to put a body for all the different things. I think that's what
säger you have to explicitly write e-interface.
Oh. Oh, I know what you're saying. And now I get it. I get it. You're saying just because I write the method name without, it's not just going to be like, "Oh, I see. You're trying to implement I comparable, so I'm going to put it for you." Like I have to put it there or it won't know. Just because I have the name of the method isn't good enough. You need this too. That's what you mean.
Sposivitatum säger some languages implement them structurally. Basically, if an interface has int foo and your class does as well, it implements an
Oh, that
interface
sounds kind of
automatically.
convenient. But not in
Sposivitatum
C sharp.
säger but not in C sharp. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's what you mean by nominally versus structurally. That's really cool. Cool. Oh, hi, Hat Knight. If you're there, hello. Right, right. Allow the production cars to be ranked. Please implement the I comparable T. Oh, this again. Interface in the production remote control car class. And I did that. Okay. The default sort order for cars should be ascending order of victories. Okay. Implement the static test track.get ranked cars to return the past cars sorted in ascending order of number of victories. Production remote control car. Production remote control car. 3, 2. Rankings. Okay, so rankings is a array. Wait, ranking 1 is equal to, okay. That was a list. Oh yeah, but you can use like the same kind of like syntax to work with lists, right? As arrays. Production remote control car. Get rank cars. Production remote control car. Where's one? Oh, it only takes 2. 2 cars. Wow. I'm trying. I'm trying to remember how to like make a thing into a list. Like, how do you take 2 objects and put them into it? I have to review for a second to make list again. I haven't made an array and a list in like a long time because I haven't had to solve any of these problems for a while.
Legion 18C säger new list.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. It's just list new. Give me new list. Yes. I don't know. So just like I go like if it just takes 2, so that's like all I need to worry about. If PRC1 I mean, what if I just like grabbed this? Because convenient. I think I could just like recycle this, kind of.
Legion 18C säger, or call it.
Wait, maybe I should make the new list at the top though. New list. Boop, boop, boop. What's his name? Ranking.
Legion 18C säger, Prutch 1, Comparator Prutch
I don't know if I
2.
can do it like this. Or call what? PRC one that compared to. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I have compared to, but what's that? That returns an A. Oh.
Legion 18C
Oh, yeah, I
säger,
could use
no,
that and then
how
just
do
take the
you
value.
do
Okay, I'm
mark
gonna
a
start.
variable?
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. No, how do you make a variable? I don't know you. Yes. Hmm. I'm just kidding. Okay. Alright, so I guess I'll just try calling
Legion
compare
18C
to.
säger, do you use two new keywords to mark a variable?
Oh yeah, I no. Wait, that happened probably because I was copy pasting and didn't like read it out yet. I didn't even realize I did that at all. So okay, if wait, what am I doing again? Compare. But this is test track. Oh wait, no, it doesn't. Okay, no. No, I know what to do. PRC1 dot compare to PRC2. Yeah, I don't have to do this multiple times. I can just actually I'm gonna put it up here. And this is I don't know what to call it right now, so it's being called this.
Spursivitatum säger, you think they are teaching you about practices realistic ally, rather than making cars comparably. One would use link and order them by the distance property. Legion 18C säger, yes.
Man, I don't know if you're saying yes to agree with SPQ or you're saying yes about something I did, but teaching you bad practices realistically rather than making cars comparably, one would use order them by the distance. Oh. Huh. Yay, bad practices. Kidding. If compare value is greater than 0. Wait, I still want a list though. I guess I did. Why did I delete it? Now I have to do it all over again.
Legion 18C säger, well, if you use link to order things a lot, But this is almost definition faster. I'd consider link the bad practice even if you do it all the
Wrong,
time.
new goods here actually. He says bad practice even if you do it all the time. That's funny. If what are you doing?
Legion 18C säger It's convenient.
Ranking.
Spursivitatum säger C-sharp is
Doesn't
bad
it have
practice
like a
in
method?
general.
Doesn't list have literally like an add? No, I'm not sure.
Spursivitatum säger They should work harder on sampler optimizations copium. Spursivitatum säger Compiler. Legion 18C säger Yes, list, add.
Okay, I did this then. I think they just get like added in order. I think. Or I probably you could probably add multiple items and it will just put it like in one after another. Probably that's probably like an overload or something, right? I could probably just Google it really fast and see. Just stop add. Let's see what we can do. Oh.
Legion 18C säger You just
I
delete
can just
what
do
you
one.
want to
Okay.
add.
Fine. Okay. Then PRC1. Actually, I'm gonna flip it and do 2-1. And then else if default just sorry, else. Because I don't know. I think this makes sense for a default. Let's just put them in order then if they're equal. Unless it like has a specific thing at once for that. Oh yeah, I did it wrong. The defining that thing or whatever. I think. Wait, what? Wait, what? Do I need after type? I need to put like a thingy here? Maybe? I don't know. What? I don't. What? I don't know. Maybe it's just supposed to put that there or something.
Legion 18C säger You need at the end of a constructor call.
Oh! Wait, I don't know. I was getting confused with this. Oh yeah. I'm still forgetting to do that. It's constructor. Yeah, good point. equals 2. Values are not the same. Yeah, production virtual car. Reheat 2. If the value of current values is less than 0, then this should go first, this should go second, right? And then otherwise 1, 2. Wait, I just had a thought. I'm sorting by ranking of victories. Number of victories. Am I doing that in the code? Or is it ranking? Wait, this compare to? Oh no, it is number of victories. What? What? Why is it in the wrong order? Let's check it. Because compare value should be less than, it should be greater than 0. It should go to else. And not, it shouldn't put this one shouldn't be first. Wait. No wait, I'm right. Because it's saying 1 and you start on 0 in the index thing. Right? So wait, no, am I? Yeah. Yeah, so it's grabbing, it's doing what I think it's supposed to do, but it doesn't actually want that result. Oh my god, I have to, it's a +1 thing.
Legion
That's
18C
stupid.
säger, it's checking if car is nummertecken 2.
Wait, no, it's checking if car 1 is number 1. Because they want this one. This is the first car. And they're going rankings 1 and they want this to be this.
Legion 18C säger, remember arrays are null indexed.
I know, so it should be ranking 0 in the test code. So they should be like, this is the last car because there's 2 cars, so this number 1 should be the slowest car. The slowest car is 2, so mine is doing what I think it's supposed to do, but they want the fastest car, so I have to like, so that's like off by 1, so I have to fix that. But I feel like that's their fault. I don't know, this is like their problem. Because they want the fastest car for 1, or... Wait, I think I just misunderstood the order they wanted in. Did they want fastest first, or they want it slowest first? Because I assumed fastest first, because it's ranking. In ascending order. Oh, they want lowest first. Okay. They want it as ascending order. Why would you do that? Why would you not have it in descending order? That sounds silly.
Legion
So slowest car
18C
first.
säger, oh that's weird.
Yeah, it's a ranking of the slowest car first. Sounds stupid, but okay. I just need to reverse. I just need to reverse these. Okay. Who ranks cars in this way?
Legion 18C säger, as long as you know that's the order it's in, it's fine, be
Yes,
still.
yeah. Now I just clean it up and then make it look nice. And run. I actually kind of like this problem. No, this problem wasn't bad. Which is nice after like the last ones have been kind of annoying. The string one was annoying. Actually, this reminds me I need to go take... I forgot to take notes on the last one. Like, copy-paste stuff out into my notes document thing. So I want to do that real quick. What's the last... check my notes. What's the last one I have so far? What is this? This is the disposable orm thing. Okay. I'm gonna take this sample code, I guess. Take this. This is useful. Let's take this. Not sure. Take string thing too. Yeah, whatever. I'll actually take this straight up the text too, because I actually needed that to solve it. These. Yay. Good. Notes are up to date. I'm just curious what's next.
Sposivitatum säger,
Exception
the ad has been
filtering.
vanquished.
Yay! It's vanquished. More. Oh, I gotta over to the bottom. Kind of. There's still plenty to do. Well, plenty to finish. Oh, this one's a double. Oh my god, the orm thing's coming back in this one. Let's see, weather and tether. Weather, that's doubled. Oh wow, this is part of it. Okay. Weather and tether, weather and oh my god, it's like a quadruple. Oh, this one will be fun. Because the Wizards and Warriors, the first problem was really, really fun. It was like a lot of like if conditions. I really liked this one. So I hope this one will be fun and not painful. Yeah, that one's doubled. Oh, that's actually really convenient. I might finish this faster than I anticipated, just because some of these are just in multiple of these boxes. Privileges. Oh god, logs again. Regular expression sounds not fun. Sets. Oh, this does sound annoying. I kind of don't want to do this. There are exceptions by handling adding multiplication to a calculator. Yeah. Anyway. Okay. I'm gonna take a quick break to drink water.
Jape säger, hej med Jape.
Aw, Kenny, look at you. You're using Danish now. Aw. Yeah. Yeah. I think I like forgot like all my like greetings in Japanese except for like the most basic ones. Good. But yeah. Hi, Kenny. Mm. Oh, do a wave, so cute. Wait, what? Duolingo has a channel? Is that like official? No way. Because I'm like, where did you? I clicked on the emote because I wanted to see where you got it from. What? Oh, wait for a second. Twitch.tv/Duolingo. What? Oh, they do. Oh my god, they have a Twitch. What?
Studerhart.
Aw, thanks. Thanks, Kenny. Oh wow, they okay. Huh. Oh, I didn't know that. This is still cool. No, the animated image is so cute. Okay, yeah. Let's break for a second.
Sposivitatum säger, is the
Water.
name of this exercise a reference to Texas Instruments?
Yes, it is. It's not even like thinly veiled. It's so obvious. They have no shame. Mm. I feel mildly sleepy. Okay, Okay, language time. Fun stuff time. Time to do fun things. Let's see. Oh yeah, one of the things I need to do. Is remove these. Look at them next one for a sec. Because so I can like quiz myself on these. I won't do it right this second. It's like I can literally see the answers. Remove. Oops, do. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of them. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. I might as well just like temporarily switch my category. Okay, cool. And new expressions. What do I got? Local support meanings. Got persist, loomed, healed. Okay, no, okay. Let's just do them one at a time. I know this exists. This does exist in Danish, but I'm not. I think it's press. I think it's just with a. But I have to check. I think it's just with an A thing. Pressy, yeah. Yeah, loomed. That's easy. That's Rolly in Danish. Hilt, okay. I think you can do that in Danish too. Hilt. Okay. Yeah. I think. Did they say? What did they do? Huh. Healed fiends? More? Okay. Near. And they do have Nair. Like, so. Double check. Nair. Oh. Wait, no, that's a verb. But yeah, no Nair. Her store. Warden. Store. Or more store. The tutor. Same. So Clart. Uh. That'd be like Cephali or naturally based or something. Cephali. Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna include it because yeah. Oh yeah. And then themes. Nice. Theme. I think it's fine. Okay. Also, I'll be right back. I'm going to the bathroom.
Spursivitatum säger, they don't even have a single job for us developer, terrible.
Oh, okay, back. Yeah. Okay.
In the following conversation, note their meanings.
Precis.
Precisely, just.
Lugnt.
Calm, quiet.
Helt okej.
Just fine. Okay.
Nära.
Near.
Hur stor?
How big?
Det betyder
It means,
Såklart.
of course,
fint.
nice. Marco talks to Misha. Look at and listen to the words and expressions that are used in the following conversation. Note their meanings.
Precis.
Precis.
Precisely, just,
Lugnt.
Lugnt.
calm, quiet,
Helt okej.
Helt okej.
just fine, okay,
Nära.
Nära.
near,
Hur stor?
Hur stor?
how big.
Det betyder
Det betyder
It means,
Såklart.
såklart.
of course,
fint.
Fint.
nice.
Now for the fun part.
Marco talks to Misha, a researcher at Karolinska Institute, about their living situation in Stockholm.
Mischa, var bor du?
Jag bor i Västra skogen.
Västra skogen. Var ligger det?
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Jaha, är det bra i Västra skogen?
Det är ganska lugnt. Helt okej. Nära till centrum.
Hur stor är lägenheten?
Den är 56 kvadratmeter. En tvåa.
2 sovrum?
Nej, det betyder 2 rum och kök. 1 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Var bor du?
Min flickvän Jenny och jag bor i Årsta, söder om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter.
Årsta är fint.
Now, listen to the
Yeah, I've listened to that a few times. They're comparing each other's apartments for sure, and room sizes and where they're located.
Marco talks to Misha, a researcher at Karolinska Institute, about their living situation in Stockholm.
Mischa, var bor du?
Jag bor i Västra skogen.
Västra skogen. Var ligger det?
What is that? Vorgurd there? Maybe?
Skogen. Var ligger det?
What? Ligger there?
Var ligger det?
Var. What is there? I think that's what he's saying.
Västra skogen. Var ligger det?
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Oh, var ligger det? Where is it lie?
Om Stockholms centrum.
Okay.
Det.
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Jaha.
Det ligger...
Precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Ja, skogen. Var ligger det?
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
West of the center of Stockholm. West center of Stockholm. Yes.
Jaha, är det bra i Västra skogen?
Det är ganska lugnt.
Är det bra i Västra skogen?
What
Det
the
är
hell?
ganska...
Jaha, är det bra i Västra skogen?
I guess it's western central Stockholm. Good.
Det är ganska lugnt. Helt okej. Nära till centrum.
Yeah, I understood. Yeah. It's pretty relaxing and close to the center.
Nära till centrum.
Hur stor är
Det är ganska lugnt. Helt okej. Nära till centrum.
Hur stor är Västra skogen?
Det är ganska lugnt. Helt okej. Nära till centrum.
Hur stor är lägenheten?
How big is your apartment?
Den är 56 kvadratmeter. En tvåa.
2
Okay, 56 quadratmeters, 3 rooms.
sovrum?
Nej, det betyder en tvåa.
2 sovrum?
Nej, det betyder 2 rum och kök.
2 rooms. What's a kök?
Det betyder 2 rum och kök.
2 rooms and a kitchen. Ah.
ett sovrum och ett vardagsrum.
Bedroom and a living room.
Var bor det?
Wait,
Ett sovrum och ett vardagsrum.
that seems like way bigger than a 12 or whatever. Isn't it like 5 rooms?
Sovrum och ett vardagsrum. Var bor det? Ett sovrum betyder 2 rum och kök.
Oh no, he's describing the other 2 rooms. It's a kitchen, a bedroom, and a living room.
Ett sovrum och ett vardagsrum. Var bor det?
Min flickvän Jenny och jag bor i Årsta, söder om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter i Årsta, söder om Stockholm. 70 i Årsta, söder om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter.
South of Stockholm, maybe? Sundra? I'm not sure.
Om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 70 kvadratmeter Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är
70 something quadratmeters.
om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter.
70 square meters.
Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum och ett vardags. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum och 1 meter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum.
Jenny's apartment.
I Årsta, söder om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeters rum. Och kök såklart. 2 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter. Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter. Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter.
Årsta är fint.
Marco,
I think I got most of it, but it's a few words.
Och
that I'm
kök såklart.
not sure about.
Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter.
Årsta är fint.
now listen.
Okay. Okay, how many bedrooms does Misha's flat have? 1. Where is Vostra? Oh, Vestra. Oh, that's his name of the... No, Orstra. He did say Orstra. Västra Skogen, in relation to central Stockholm. I guess it's south? Oh, he said they live in Orstra. Marco said that. Said, yeah, south of Stockholm. But Västra Skogen isn't there. It's west of Väster om Stockholm Center. Yeah, west of central Stockholm. Okay, cool. Now it's Swedish and Danish too. Oh wait, actually first. Oh wait, there's some questions about it, so I'll answer this too. Only one of these statements is true. Which one? First one. Marco och Jenny bor i en trea. Marco och Jenny bor i en trea. Actually, yeah, I think they do live there. Västra skogen ligger inte nära till centrum. Så det är västskogen. Västerlig Skoen ligger ikke tæt på actually, I'm not sure about centrum. Centrum. Okay, that goes here. Centrum. I think with Vestra you can just say, oh, Vest. Yeah, Vest as well. Oh wait, no, Skogan's forest, so Skogan should be Skol. Let's Skol. But just go, okay. We'll put that in 2, Skov. Skov. Internet. Right. So it'd be Vest Skoen ligger tæt på centrum. That's not true. There fell. Or det er forskellige. Or ligger øster om Stockholm. Or ligger est for Stockholm. Which is not true because it's south. So only A is true. And then what does it say? Possessive nouns, also called genitive, express who or what owns or has something. They're very similar to English, just without an apostrophe. Jenny's pojkvän heter Marco. Jenny's pojkvän is called Marco. Yep. Jenny's character heter Marco. Right, so now goes to sentences. And do read it in Swedish and then Danish. Mischa, var var du? Mischa. Oh yeah. Var var du? Jag bor I västra skogen. Jag bor I västskogen. Västra skogen? Var ligger det? Västskogen? Var ligger det? Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum. Det ligger precis väst för Stockholm centrum. I'm scared. Let me look at. That's what they do, right? Väst for. Yes. Jaha. Är det bra I västskogen? Nej, staden. Är det gott I västskogen? Det är ganska lugnt. Helt okej. Nära till centrum. Det är rätt roligt. Helt fint. När tæt på centrum. Hur stor är lägenheten? Hur stor är lägenheten? Den är 56 kvadratmeter. In 2. Den är 6,5 dress. No. Ja, den är 6,5 dress kvadratmeter. In två sovrum, två sovrörelser, actually is it conjugate like that? Interverser. Yeah, verser. Nej. No, sorry. Nej, det betyder två rum och kök. Ett sovrum och ett vardagsrum. Var bor du? Nej, det betyder två rum och... Oh, no. Nej, det betyder två verser och köken. Ett sovrörelse och ett... Oh, what's that word? Vardagsrum. Och ett... stue. Var bor du? Actually, let me just search stue as stew and okay, it's an N word. Let me take note of this. It's an in. Min flickvän Jenny och jag bor i Årsta. Söder om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Min käresta Jenny och jag bor i Årsta. Syd for Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum och ett vardagsrum. Och kök, såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. No, det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrörelser och ett och en stue och köken. So, selvfølgelig. Actually, it's curious what the conjugation could get. Okay, yeah. Men kökenet är bara 6 kvadratmeter. Årsta är fint. Årsta är fint.
Listen to the conversation again, repeating after each line and Marco talks to Misha, a researcher at Karolinska Institute, about their living situation in Stockholm.
Misha, var bor du?
Oh, yeah. Let me write down that number of this dialogue, too.
Marco talks to Misha, a researcher at Karolinska Institute, about their living situation in Stockholm.
Misha, var bor du?
Jag bor i Västra skogen.
Västra skogen, var ligger det?
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Jaha, är det bra i Västra skogen?
Det är ganska lugnt. Helt okej. Nära till centrum.
Hur stor är lägenheten?
Den är 56 kvadratmeter. En tvåa.
2 sovrum?
Nej, det betyder 2 rum och kök. 1 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Var bor du?
Min flickvän Jenny och jag bor i Årsta, söder om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter.
Årsta är fint.
Now, listen to the conversation again. Mark
Okay, I'm trying looking at the dialogues. Yep, I have it down now.
Marco talks to Misha, a researcher at Karolinska Institute, about their living situation in Stockholm.
Misha, var bor du?
Jag bor i Västra skogen.
Västra skogen, var ligger det?
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Jaha, är det bra?
Det ligger precis
Västra skogen, var ligger det?
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Jaha, är det bra?
This is Västra Stockholm Centrum. Väster I need to listen to the part.
Västra skogen, var ligger det?
Det ligger precis väster om Stockholms centrum.
Jaha, är det bra i Västra skogen?
Det är ganska lugnt. Helt okej.
Well, yeah.
Helt okej. Nära till centrum.
Hur stor är lägenheten?
Den är 56 kvadratmeter. En tvåa.
2 sovrum?
Nej, det betyder 2 rum och kök. 1 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Var bor du?
Min flickvän Jenny och jag bor i Årsta, söder om Stockholm. 70 söder om Stockholm. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 70 kvadratmeter. Det är Jennys lägenhet. 2 sovrum och 1 vardagsrum. Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter. 6 kvadratmeter.
Årsrum.
Och kök såklart. Men köket är bara 6 kvadratmeter.
Årsta är fint.
Yeah, the word I missed last time. Air. Okay. Oh wow. I kind of want to briefly preview if it's worth trying with. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Well, let's look. Because I did pretty good with the last one, so I think I do 2 of these. Okay, introduction, exception, change my category. Hold on. When is the keyword in filtering exceptions? It is placed after the catch statement. Try catch. And can take a Boolean expression containing any values in scope at the time. If the expression evaluates to true, then the block associated with that catch statement is executed. Otherwise, the next catch statement, if any, is checked. The user-defined exception is any class defined in your code that is derived from system.exception. It is subject to all the rules of class inheritance, but in addition, the compiler and language runtime treat such classes in a special way. Allowing their instances to be thrown and caught outside the normal control flow as discussed in the exceptions exercise. User-defined exceptions are often used to carry extra information such as message and other relevant data that's made available to the catching routines. Why? Throw in cause. When okay. While working at Instruments of Texas, what is that? You are tasked to work on an experimental calculator written in C#. You are building a test harness to verify a number of calculator functions, starting with multiplication. You will see that there is particular concern when the two operands in the multiplication are negative. The calculator class has been provided for you and should not be modified. Complete the definition of the user-defined exception, calculation exception. Complete the definition of the constructor of calculation exception, which will need to store, wrap any exception thrown by the calculator. as well as the operands that are being processed at the time the exception is thrown. Okay. String message exception inner. Complete the definition of the constructor. Other things operand 2 gets. Or crap. Operand. Oh yeah, switch back to English. Operand 1 equals operand 1. Operand 2. Operand 2. Do I need to like do the same for exception? I don't know. Public. I don't know, but just maybe that makes sense. Public exception get. No, I don't think so. Yeah, whatever. Let's just see if it even runs. What? Okay. Well, I guess this is fine. Handle overflow conditions in the calculator and provide enhanced information to the caller. Implement the calculator test harness.multiply method, which should call the calculator.multiply method of the calculator instance passed. Which should call the calculator.multiply method of the calculator instance. That would be this. Pass to the constructor. Passing in x and y integer values. If an overflow occurs in this calculator.multiply method, it will throw an overflow exception. This exception should be caught in the calculator test harness.multiply method and wrapped in a calculation exception, and the x and y values being passed around should be stored as the exception's operands. The newly created calculation exception object should be thrown. You can ignore the value returned by the calculator.multiply method if it is successful. Exception. Ugh. Calculator. Calculator. Choke. Later. Dot multiply. So try. Catch. No, it's overflow exception. A new calculation exception. I have no idea if this is how you do this or not. Okay, I guess it worked then. Handle overflow conditions in the calculator and provide enhanced information to the caller. Oh wait, no, I just did that. Wait. Yes, I did. 3. Test the multiplication operation for valid inputs. Implement the calculator test harness test multiplication method, which takes 2 integers and calls the calculator test harness dot multiply method. Multiply succeeded is returned. Calculate the test harness. Um, Mm.
Legion 18C säger godnatt.
Oh. Nej. Mm. I'm sleepy too. I'm too. Right.